Alrighty guys, these are the elevators here at the Center Avenue Garage here at Indy. We got some Montgomery originals too. Here we go to 5. Wow, we are. Pretty nice cab.
Yeah, not too shabby. Little dingy lit.
But hey, you know what? This is cool. Some mechanical bells, which is interesting. It's a basement. Here we go, Montgomery, do your thing. Oh yeah, these things are fun. Are you gonna do your thing? Nice cab. Ding. Montgomery. They always impressed me, man. But
Thank you. Good day.
anyway, there's
That's the Senate building right there, I think.
Center.
Indiana.
Oh,
State that works.
yes. We love the Logan, the state that works. So anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.